All right, guys, let's look at this problem. It says a total of 6 and 825 thousandths up. Ding, 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 ding. Are you starting to kind of catch on to a couple things? A total of 6 and 825 thousandths inches of snow fell during a snowstorm. The snow fell at an average rate 1.3 inches per hour. That's the part that fell every hour. How many hours did the snow fall? So if I'm looking at the total height of snow, and I know each hour is 1.3, I want to know how many hours it fell. So we're going to take the total divided by the part, the dividend divided by the divisor. So 6 and 825 thousandths divided by 1 3/10. All right, how does it go? 6.825 divided by 1.3. Anybody see Houston, we have a problem? I do. The 1 3/10, what should that be? That should be a 13. Correct. Move it how many places? 1. Means I move it 1 here. So instead of it being a 6.825, it's now 68.25. And I'm going to draw my line. All right, let me get my wall. And pull it over. Cover up all the digits except that 1. Okay. Does 13 go into 6? Nope. Put your 0 there. Subtract. Bring down my 8. So give it to the 6, would be 68. Now, 13 to 68. Well, 1 goes into 6 times. Well, if I did 6, you think it might be big? Well, 6 times 1 is 6, but remember, when we're bringing over this, 3 times 6 is 18. I've got to bring over 1. That's going to be put in the 70s. So that might be too high. All right, let's try 13 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. There we go. Doesn't quite make it, but it's close enough. So it's going to be 5. Subtract 65. 68 minus 65 gives me 3. Good job. All right, now, I did not move my decimal up there. Shame on you, Miss Cassidy. Remember, decimal goes straight up. Bring down the 2. All right, 13 into 32. Well, 1 times 3 is 3. If I did 13 times 3, well, 1 times 3 is 3, but 3 times 3 is 9. That's going to be 39. That's too big. Dadgummit. All right, let's do 13 times 2. 13 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. All right, that'll work. So I'm going to put 2 above that 2. I'm going to subtract 26. Now I can't take 6 from 2, so I got to borrow from the 3. Make it a 2. And 12 minus 6 is 6. All right, now I'm going to bring down my 5. Now how many times is 13 do? Wait a minute, 13 is 65. I already know that one. It was 5. Let me subtract. So, how many hours did the snow fall? The snow fell for 5.25 hours, or, in other words, 5 hours, 15 minutes. We shall talk about that later. Look, we only needed to do 2 multiplication problems. All right, guys, let's see you do it now. Same problem.